Hello friends, if we are looking young, our sleep is the reason behind it. How healthy we are, how active our brain is, how good we are able to read, our stress, happiness, success, relationship, etc. All these factors depend upon our sleep. Researchers tell that sleep is more important than our exercise and diet. Therefore, we should sleep for 7 to 9 hours daily. Then only will our bodies remain healthy. But now we get a question. Sometimes we sleep really good. For example, we would have a sleep at 10 pm and wake up at 7 pm, getting 9 hours of sleep. But then also we could not feel fresh at all. We would feel sleepy all the time. This happens because we have sleep 9 hours. But in the time we sleep, our quality of sleep has been poor. For example, we have not slept deeply at all. Our sleep should always be continuous. Only then we would get a quality sleep. Only if we sleep like this, our body will get refreshed and it can work to its full potential. So, to get a quality sleep like this, I am going to tell you 7 methods. Number 1. Avoid screens before bedtime. Your body releases a hormone. It is named melatonin. This hormone is the reason behind our healthy sleep cycle. In the same way, sensors called photoreceptors are present in our eyes. If blue light falls on the sensor, it starts producing less melatonin. Like it stops the production of hormones essential for our sleep. All the screen, like our TV, laptop, smartphones, all of this emit this blue light. Doctors say that before we sleep, if we see TV, laptop or cell phone, such blue light emitting devices, it make melatonin production low. Therefore, we would have sleep 1 hour less. So, if we see what solution are there for this problem, 2 to 3 hours before we sleep, we should completely avoid phone, laptop, etc. For this, a lot of willpower is needed. In this age, we have gotten addicted to this kind of devices. And because of this, it is very difficult to do that. So you should try to avoid this kind of screens 2 to 3 hours before sleep. But if you are unable to do it, you can turn on blue light filter in your smartphone. In some mobiles, this mode is also called reading mode. If you turn on blue light filter, your smartphone screen would turn kind of orange, like it restricts blue lights. Because of this, even if you use your devices 2 to 3 hours before sleep, you can get good quality sleep. Our second method is get it blacked out. In this method, it is said sleep in a room as dark as you can make it. Only then would you get a deep sleep. You may think, who cares if the room is not dark? I will sleep with a sleep mask. This is a wrong decision because just like our eyes having sensor, our skin too has light detecting sensor. These photoreceptors detect light. Now, if you sleep with the lights on but using an eye mask, the light won't enter your eyes. Therefore, brain tells to produce melatonin, but at the same time, the photoreceptors on your skin detect light. This would tell your the brain not to produce melatonin. Because of this, it would be very difficult for you to get a deep sleep, since your brain get different input like this. 50% of your quality sleep would be wasted. Therefore, you should keep your room as dark as possible. Only then would you get a quality sleep. Some people don't get a sleep at all until they have at least one light on in their room. If you fall under this category, you can attach a red bulb in your room, because in this bulb the light produced is less. Number third method is decrease your body temperature. In a study, people with insomnia, like disease where a person cannot sleep, had a high stress level since they could not sleep properly. They were told to wear a thermosuit. The thermosuit would reduce their body temperature by 1 degree Celsius. After sleeping with those thermosuits, they got a good quality sleep like normal people, since their body temperature went down just 1 degree Celsius. Their sleep quality and quantity has increased drastically. Therefore, if you also decrease your body temperature, you can sleep well. To decrease your body temperature, you can do two things. One of them is that 2 hours before you going to sleep, bath in warm water. Because if you bath in cold water, it will make you fresher. You may think, are not we aiming to decrease our body temperature? If we bath in hot water, won't our body temperature increase? Yes, this is true. When we bath in hot water, our body temperature initially increases, but after some time it gradually decreases. Because of this, you can sleep well. The second way to decrease your body temperature is you can remove your inner garments before sleeping, or if you can also sleep naked. Because of this, your body temperature reduces and you will get a good quality sleep. Our fourth method is say no to caffeine. Caffeine is present in coffee, chocolate, tea, cold drinks, etc. This caffeine half-life is more than 5 hours. Like, if you drink a tea, it will stay activate in your body for more than 10 hours. Therefore, melatonin won't be produced and you won't get a good quality sleep. Because of this, you should use coffee, tea, cold drinks and such caffeine containing products only in the morning. Never use this product after 2 p.m. in an afternoon. Only then would melatonin to be produced properly and you will get a quality sleep. Our fifth method is bed is only for sleeping. Like, use your bed only for sleeping. Don't do any other work while sitting on your bed. Example, doing office work on the bed, eating, reading, etc. If you do like this, your sleeping place won't be clean. Since you are eating on your bed, there are chances that you may spill what you are eating. And because of this, your bed won't be clean. There are chances that insect may come to your bed. Just like that, don't use devices like smartphone, laptop while lying on your bed. Keep them at least 2 meters away from your bed. By keeping them far away from your bed, you have 2 benefits. In these devices are near you, you will often get up from your sleep and access them. Then, electromagnetic fields are emitted from these devices. So, if these devices are far away from you, you will get a good quality sleep. Even If you use your phone for setting alarms, keep it at a distance of 2 meters. Only then will you get up and turn off the alarm instead of pressing the snooze button. If you get a good quality sleep, you can wake up at the correct time even without alarm. Our sixth method is calm your inner chatter. You would have definitely experienced this. As soon as you have started sleeping, you would get many thoughts in your brain. You would think about your past, your present, what would happen in the future. And so, you would get anxious. And because of this, you won't get good quality sleep. The best solution to this problem is to do meditation. We all know how good meditation is and its benefits, yet only a few follow this. Because of this kind of problems, if you don't get enough sleep, you can easily avoid it by doing meditation. Even if you don't know how to do meditation, go sit in a silent place and start concentrating in a single thing. Otherwise, at least focus on breathing. This is a simple way to do meditation. Our seventh method is go to bed at right time. The best time for humans to sleep is 10 to 2 a.m. In this time, our body should be fully at rest, as only during this time our body secretes useful hormones like melatonin, human growth hormone. This hormone helps to increase our height. The human growth hormone is also known as youth hormone. This hormone only makes us look young. If you follow a deep sleep between this 10 to 2 a.m. time, your body will produce all the needed hormones and will keep you healthy. Therefore, if you want to stay healthy, always try to avoid night shifting jobs, because if we see from the biological perspective, it is during the night time when our body is getting rest and producing the needed hormone on its own. At this time, if we are awake and doing our work, these useful hormones will not be produced, which in turn can make the risk of cancer really high. Now that we have learned the importance of sleeping at the right time, you can also sleep at the right time and keep your body healthy. Now, let us have the recap of 7 methods for improving sleep quality. The first method is avoiding blue light. We should avoid blue light emitting devices like smartphone and laptops 2 to 3 hours before going to sleep. But if we are unable to avoid them completely, at least use blue light filter or reading mode. Okay? The second one was making our sleep room dark, because we learned that even our skin can detect light, by which we learned that if our room is dark, we can get better quality sleep. The third one was to reduce our body temperature, because when we saw that even people with insomnia, when their body temperature decreased by 1 degree Celsius, found an increasing in their sleep quality, we learned that it is a useful thing to reduce our body temperature. To reduce our body temperature, we can either bath in hot water or sleep naked. The fourth one we saw was to avoid caffeine. If we have a habit to eat chocolate, drinking tea, coffee, cool drinks, etc., we should not have after 2 p.m. in the afternoon, as the products have very high half-life. And because of this, you should drink tea or coffee only in the morning. And if you drink it during the afternoon, it will decrease your melatonin protection. And so you won't get good sleep. Fifth, we should aim at using our bed only for sleeping. And if we do some other things like office work, eating, etc., our bed won't be clean. And while we are sleeping, we won't get reminded emotionally about the things in your sleeping place. And so your sleep quality would decrease. Because of this, we should use our bed only for sleeping. Simple. 6. We saw that we should claim our inner self. For not getting any thoughts while sleeping, we should do meditation. Meditation can be done by concentrating only on one thing, or at least concentrating on our breathing. The 7th point says that we should go to the bed at the correct time, because 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. is the best time for sleeping. Only then the hormones essential our body would get released easily, and so we would not get any problems within our body. If we don't sleep correctly during this time and do job in the night shift, we may get diseases like cancer. I have told you all these tips from the book Sleep Smarter. I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, thank you so much. We will see you in the next video. Bye.